Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile cooking appliance that has caught our attention, the Martha Stewart 6-Quart Air Fryer. We've found this product online, and if you're interested in checking the latest price and availability, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Martha Stewart 6-Quart Air Fryer? This appliance is designed to make your cooking experience easier and healthier. It features a spacious 6-quart basket, making it perfect for preparing meals for family gatherings, meal prepping for the week, or even entertaining guests. You can fit up to 3 pounds of fries, a whole chicken, or generous batches of chicken wings all in one go. Now, let's talk about the standout features that make this air fryer a must-have in your kitchen. First off, the integrated shake reminder is a game changer. It alerts you when it's time to give your food a shake for even browning and optimal crispness. This means you can say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals and hello to perfectly crispy fries and wings every time. Additionally, the auto shut-off feature helps prevent overcooking, giving you peace of mind while you focus on other tasks. The air fryer also boasts 6 cooking modes, all accessible through a bright LED touch display. The modes include air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, allowing you to experiment with various cooking techniques. Whether you want to bake a cake, roast vegetables, or dehydrate fruits, this appliance has you covered. The intuitive controls make it easy to find the right setting, and the accompanying dial allows for smooth operation when adjusting the temperature and time. Another feature worth mentioning is the Smart Sleep mode. After just 5 minutes of inactivity, the air fryer enters sleep mode to conserve energy, ensuring it's ready to use when you need it. If you happen to forget about it, don't worry, it will automatically power down later on, adding an extra layer of safety to your cooking routine. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? It's ideal for busy families looking to prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. If you're someone who enjoys hosting friends or family, its large capacity makes it a perfect companion for entertaining. Health-conscious individuals will appreciate its ability to create crispy, delicious meals with significantly less oil, making it easier to stick to a healthier lifestyle. Now, let's look at some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and having the ability to whip up a quick and nutritious dinner in under 30 minutes. With the Martha Stewart Air Fryer, you can toss in some seasoned chicken wings, set the timer, and let the appliance do the work while you focus on winding down. Or perhaps you want to dehydrate some fruits for a healthy snack, just slice, set, and enjoy. Overall, the Martha Stewart 6-Quart Air Fryer combines functionality, ease of use, and efficiency in one stylish package. Its versatile cooking modes, large capacity, and safety features make it an excellent addition to any kitchen, whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef. That wraps up our review of the Martha Stewart 6-Quart Air Fryer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.